You don't need a film crew, expensive software, or a studio to create a movie trailer anymore. Now you just need your phone. In this video, I'll show you how I use Hailuo AI I2V Director to create full-blown cinematic trailers using AI right from my iPhone. From writing the scenes to generating dramatic shots, I'll walk you through how I bring story ideas to life in just a few taps. Whether it's for storytelling, content creation, or just testing a big idea, these tools let you direct, animate, and edit something that looks like a real trailer, all with AI. Let's turn your phone into your personal movie studio. What we'll be using is Hailuo, so it's called I2V1 Director, and it gives you crazy shots if you're really into creating movie trailer style videos. So I was confused on how to use this, so I came over to ChatGPT and I wrote, I need a short story for Hailuo AI so I can use the IV2 Director about a girl that is on her own since the apocalypse and she's hiding from the people in charge. So it gives me a good story. In the ruins of a world lost to infection, a 17-year-old girl is on her own, and it gave me a full story, and it's called The Last Spark. So her blood has the cure in it, and they're after her. So I need this in a script, so I asked, and it shows me the narrator and what the visuals will look like, but I don't know how to use the director. So I asked, add it with what director shots I should use on Hailuo AI IV2 Director. Then it gives me what shots I should use. So debut shot for the first scene, and then it says tracking shot for the second scene. It also gives me the narrator and what the visuals should look like. This is amazing. Looking for my prompts? They're all in my Creator Hub, linked in the description. You'll find powerful tools, mini tutorials, and 100+ prompts updated every month. It's everything I use, made simple for you. It tells me scene 3, tilt down. So now I asked, I need visuals of what images I should use. So then it gives me background, character, props, and mood, which shot I should use. So it shows me for scene 2, background character, props, mood, track and shot. It shows for the whole story, and it even gives me a quick visual example summary, just in case I missed anything. So now I need to know what she looks like. I put in what would Mara look like. This is the visual. Spot on, exactly what I was thinking. Now I ask, can you create an image with Mara for each scene? This is the first scene, this is the second scene, this is the third scene, fourth scene, fifth scene, and so on. And it even gives me check marks because I needed them all in 16:9. So now I go over to Hailuo because I need to make these move in the Director tab. So you click the little plus sign, and now what you're going to do is upload your first image, and you're going to need your prompt. So here's my images. I'm going to click the first one, and now I'm going to put in the prompt, but I don't remember, so I come back over to ChatGPT. So what it says is static character walking into scene. So I copy it, bring it back over, and now I'm going to make sure I'm on the Direct tab. Now you're going to click the little camcorder, and now it brings up a whole bunch of shots, cinematic shots and free solution. So what it says is I need debut. Come back over and I click debut. Okay, so now it says static character walking into scene slowly with the debut shot on. And then I click generate, and this is what it will look like. That turned out so good. Okay, I'm going to show you again. So what you're going to do is upload your image. I already uploaded the second one, which is her by the car crouching down. And now I'm going to come back over, take the character's motion from ChatGPT, bring it back over and paste it. Now I'm going to click the camcorder, and it told me that I need tracking shot. There's the tracking shot. I put it in, and then I click generate. And once I click generate, this is the video. So she's walking, crouching down, it's tracking her. I mean, it looks cinematic, doesn't it? So once you're done doing all your videos, this is what hers looks like with the serum in her hands. You click without watermark if you have subscription. If not, that's fine. I also have a video on how to get rid of that. Then you're going to come over to the downloads and it's already in your camera roll. So don't worry. Now we come over to CapCut once we have all of our images in motion and we upload them all. See? Now, once they're all uploaded, you're going to add the narrator, you're going to add the subtitles, you're going to add the little noises and all that stuff. So this is what it's going to look like. So for the narrator part, you're going to go down to text and you're going to click text to audio. Once you click text to audio, you're going to go back over to ChatGPT and I said, can you add the narration in a paragraph? And this is what I got. Copy it, bring it back over and paste it in. Now what you need to do is find a voice, whatever one you like. It's up to you. You could use your own or 11 Labs, or you can use the voices on here. They actually sound really good. So there's tons to choose from. There's English, there's female or male, and they have POV, narrator. Choose which one you like. I'm going to choose this one here, and then you click next. And then you have them all here. Now, once you have them, you are going to have to split them out, but this is probably the easiest part. As you can see, I just made sure I put them. Now, there is a gap here. That's because in the narration, it says she talks. So click the clip, and then you're going to go down because there is lip sync on CapCut now. Click lip sync, and all she says is, I just have to keep going. And then I'm going to use my own voice, which I cloned on here. And you click it, it only takes about 9 credits, and then it's going to sound like this. Now I couldn't make it whisper, so I just went to audio effects and I clicked on echo and turned it down a bit. So now it sounds like she's echoing and it's in the back of her mind. Just like that. Now what you're going to do is go back to the front, and if you want, you can change the subtitles. Click style, and then a whole bunch of them pop up. Now you can choose whatever ones you want. So I go back over to ChatGPT because I'm going to put in, when I put all the scenes together, what transition should I use on CapCut? Best transition styles for Mara's story. It shows me right here in a little graph. It also shows me step by step. So 1 to 2 scene, I should use dissolve. 2 to 3 scene, dissolve, and 4 to 5, hard cut, which is just no scene. So you click on the transition between the videos, and I put in cross dissolve, and a couple of the dissolves come up. You can choose which one you want. I use the first one, and then I came here and I still use the dissolve, but I slowed it down a bit because you are able to adjust the transitions. So just make sure you're looking and you get them right. You can change them if you want, but I thought this was a great idea. So this is what it's going to look like. As you can see, it goes dissolving into one. So now we need background music. So what you're going to do is click on the sound button, and you're going to put in cinematic background music. So soft cinematic music. I always keep with the CapCut ones, the red and white, and you just put it in, and you can choose whatever one you want. They all get cleared regardless. It's just the CapCut one. You don't have to wait for someone to clear it. So I put that one in. Make sure it doesn't override the narrator. You can always click it and turn it down. You turn it down to maybe about 40, 20. And then you just play it, and this is what it will sound like. Now, if you're wondering how it sounds like she's stepping on the ground, you're going to put in the sounds search bar in boots. So this is the one that I used. And I just put it in. And as you can see, it sounds like she's walking. I think the sound effects make it look way more cinematic. I also put them here because she's also walking.
She believes she's just another forgot.
And for when her veins glow in her hand, I put electricity. So I'm going to look for an electricity sound. And there's a couple that will pop up. So you can use whatever one you want, but I use this one. And then I just stick it in, make sure it doesn't override the narrator and the music. You can just turn it down if you like, or you can keep it up. Now, over here, I put in heartbeat and heavy breathing to make it seem like she's really scared and really thinking.
Every step she takes is a race against time.
Heartbeat,
every breath is borrowed.
Pounding. And then it goes into her talking with the lip sync. And then right here,
she must keep moving.
It looks like the cave came crashing down.
The last spark of humanity.
And then it shows these people walking into the cave because they thought there were zombies in there. Left you at a cliffhanger. Wonder what will happen. So now the video is complete and you're just going to export it in 1080 or 4K. It's really up to you. So if you're waiting for the results, here they are.
In a world shattered by a virus, only a few survived. Mara has been alone for as long as she can remember, hiding from the enforcers, those who hunt the living, not to save them, but to control them. She believes she's just another forgotten soul. But inside her lies a secret even she doesn't know. If they find her, it won't just be her life at stake. It will be the end of hope itself. Every step she takes is a race against time. Every breath is borrowed.
I just have to keep moving.
She must keep moving, even when the world crumbles around her. The last spark of humanity doesn't even know she's the fire.
If you enjoy learning about AI and how to use it on your phone, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get all the new updates. Thanks for watching.